Okay, I think we can get going. I know quite a few folks are in the um, new contributor orientation yet, so maybe they'll be able to join us later. Uh, this is an official meeting, so I guess I should start off with this. We need to follow the Kubernetes code of conduct. Basically, be good to each other. If you have any questions about that, let me know. I can send you a link to the code of conduct. Uh, with that, let me see. I have does everyone have the link to the agenda doc? There's in the chat. Feel free to add your name to the attendees. And let's go. As far as lead updates, I don't have any updates this week. It seems like things are moving along. We'll probably get into some more specifics as we get closer. But I guess that's it for me. Natalie added a few notes for communications. It doesn't look like Natalie's on the call. Is there anyone else from the comms team that can cover that? Nope. Okay. Well, then I'll read through here. If you didn't see out on in the mailing lists, Natalie or the team had sent out everything about the Maintainer Summit being open, so folks can. Oh, Natalie is joined. Natalie, just started on the communications section. I know you just joined, but you want to cover that content, or should we? Uh,
Yeah, I can cover it, no problem.
okay, good.
All right. So basically, we've already sent out the maintainer summit that being opened. We sent it out via email, Slack, and the social for March 26th for KubeCon India. I put a comment here. I said, should we do like a quick save the date? It could also be kind of fun to use Pit's video. I don't know if his video is ready, but we can make it as part of the announcement. On March 26th, because KubeCon India is what, June 22nd, 21st, 22nd, I think. So that's just kind of an open question I have for this group. Um, and then and then if anyone wants to help shadow or volunteer, please go to the team tab on this deck. Um, and we have the next communication I think that's coming out is the schedule highlights. Curdy's working on that, but we still need someone's help for the onboarding sessions announced and the contributor workshop announced, which is coming up next week. If nobody signs up for it, I will just do it myself. It's not a problem. But I wanted to give people the opportunity to if they are so interested. And the other thing I wanted to mention is there are two communications that are ready for review. And that's the maintainer summit reminder and the meet and greet announcement. Those aren't going out until like the first week of March, but it's just ready to go. And so we can just, or I can just schedule it when people feel good about the messaging. Um, and that's kind of it from the comm section. I would, if it's okay, Sean, is it okay if I just do like a quick walkthrough of the comms page and the schedule?
Oh yeah, sure.
Because there was just a tiny bit of confusion around it.
Okay.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah. Does it let you share, or do I need to stop first?
It says send request. So I don't think you have to allow me to do it.
Okay, there we go.
All right. Okay, cool. Can everyone see my screen? Silence is a yes. All
Yep.
right. So So I just kind of wanted to run through this really quickly so people are aware. The way that I sort of set this up is we have like the date to finish, review by date, date to post. This is the full schedule overall. So you can see all the different communications that we're going to have going out over the course of the next month or so. And then each of these items are linked to a subtab. So it'll just take you right there. Please put the things there. It's just easier for us to track. And I think it'll be easier when we start doing more communications for the next maintainer summit as well. Then people can just like grab, copy, paste, whatever, and they know which section is where. That was it. I just wanted to kind of share that really quick because I think there might have been some confusion around how the schedule's managed.
Awesome. Thanks. Uh, Gotta find my window again. Okay. Anything else for comps before we move on?
Nope, that's it. Curdy also has her stuff ready to go. She sent out the first announcement message, and then she's just looking to get approval on Slack. Curdy, I see that you're here, so I already checked off on the approval for the Slack messaging. And then if we wanted to do a social, we'll just have to make sure we get it in the queue.
Okay, can you tell me about like where to add it in the queue?
Oh yeah. Let me share the link in the chat. I shared the link in the chat and it's under messages of the week.
Okay.
Or wait. Sorry. I have two things up. There's a separate one just for KubeCon. Sorry, it's the second link. And on the second link, there's a tab that says KubeCon EU 2026. So I've just been adding them to the top. And so you can see, like, I already added two of them for the yellow. I did one for the meet and greet announcement and the Maintainer Summit registration reminder. And then the comms team should pick that up probably on Friday and hopefully get that in the queue. I did request to get access to Buffer so I can start to set things up, but I haven't gotten that yet, so we'll just have to kind of wait and see. But if I don't, that's fine. Like I said, we can just bring it up on the comms team on Friday.
All right. Anything else or any questions for as far as comms go? If not, we can move on. Website, I think there are a few folks out, but there is still the kind of the umbrella issue for tracking website things or for the events page. There were a few PRs that have gone through to um, get the maintainer summit information on the contributor site. I haven't been following super closely, but it looks like most of the big things have merged. So there's at least that information out there. Um, and Anybody have anything else on the website?
Yeah,
Okay.
there
We
was
d-
And
we do have a PR on hold for the website to add the meet and greets section. Let me add it.
658 is the one that I had raised to add the info for the maintenance summit India that had happened. So this issue was more about updating the maintenance summit data. So Chris already did it for 2025. So this was the one that was missing. He did put a comment out there, which I did not get totally what it meant. So yeah.
this comment.
Yes.
Yeah, I think I saw that on Josh's PR as well. So we used to have the Kubernetes Contributors Summit.
Summit,
Now
yes.
it's an overall maintainer summit for all of CNCF projects. So I think the point was whether we should include Kubernetes in the name of the event.
Okay.
And I'm thinking
Yeah,
maybe not, because it isn't just the Kubernetes Maintainer Summit anymore. It is all
Overall
CNCF
CNCF.
project
project.
summit. Yeah, I was kind of thinking about that too, because I've noticed that a lot of communications that have been sent out and that are more publicly listed no longer say Kubernetes maintainers. It's just maintainer summit. But I understand that, right? Because like you said, Sean, it's more inclusivity in terms of it's not just about Kubernetes anymore, it's about all the other CNCF projects as well.
Yeah, we've kind of had an ongoing issue too with it as far as the naming as maintainers. Um, like some people have asked, okay, I'm not a maintainer of a project, I'm not
Right.
not an approval or approver, I'm just a member of the Kubernetes org. So there's been a lot of confusion about that. So I think having it explicitly say Kubernetes Maintainer Summit might actually
Yeah.
make that confusion a little bit worse.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. Because then people are kind of like, I don't maintain this project, but I do maintain others. So
Yeah.
then it's kind of like, so I'm not allowed to go? What is this?
Yeah.
Um, oh, also, I was wondering, I had a really quick question. Sorry to kind of take it a little bit off track, but is
Yeah.
it possible for me to get permission to go to the Maintainer Summit?
Oh, you're not an org member?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Well, we can either see what we can do to get you an org member, be an org member, or yeah, there is the exception request that we can
If
do.
you send me your email, I am a SIG co-chair for SIG Docs. I could email uh, appropriate people to get you approved.
Okay, yeah, I also I would love to join the org too, but I just don't know exactly what the process is for that. But Ray, I'll send you a message.
I do have your email, but let me go check.
Okay. I know we have a meeting together tomorrow, so maybe our emails are there.
So I'll update this PR with just maintenance summit title, and also there is a probably fix to do the same for the 2025 info and the 26 info that we already added. I'll do that.
Okay, great. Thank you. Uh, okay, good. We captured that. All right. So I think that's good for the website. Let's move on to the meet and greet. Um, Natalie, you again?
That's me again. So Natalie and me, Natalie and Ray, Ray and I have a meeting tomorrow with Lindsay. So I won't be able to make the Contrabex meeting tomorrow because it's at the same time. But we have a meeting with her, and we're going to spend that time just kind of going over some of the logistics. So I also added like a meet and greet schedule, so it kind of shows here that we're going to be meeting with her and we're going to be talking to her about like the venue map. We're going to be talking about the confirmed button inventory as well, table stands, signage, etc. So it's just to kind of get that conversation going and started. And then of course we'll just kind of maintain our contact with her and continue that discussion. Oh, and then the website has been updated with our description. So we had created a description or updated a description rather for the meet and greet. And so it's been updated to reflect that change there. Um, and then I just kind of mentioned that I added the schedule for what we're going to be doing for before the meet and greet, during, and what's going to be happening after, kind of like just overall cleanup and retrospectives and things like that.
Okay, sorry. My system is being very weird this morning. All right. Unless there's any other questions there, Natalie, did you still want to go through
No,
the?
no, no, I just did it.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if I'd have time because I didn't know what else was gonna be talked about. So I have to cut out a little early today. I have to go to a doctor's appointment. But yeah.
Okay. All right. Great. Does anybody have anything else? Okay. Well, I think we're doing really well. We still have some time before the event, so things look like they're moving along really well. Yeah. I guess no one else has anything else, we can call this for today. If there's anything else anyone needs to keep things going, please ping people in the Slack channel. Otherwise, I think we're in good shape.
Thanks.
All right.
Bye.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.